Hi guys, it's Spacious here, and this is room 128 at the Hilton at the Aegeus Bowl. It's a pre-cruise hotel. We couldn't get in our normal Holiday Inn or Voco, whatever it's called now, so we opted for a different one. So yeah, let's go on with the room tour. We have the bathroom here, the toilet, sink, a mirror, and a more magnified mirror. Then we have the shower here. You get some products as well. Then you have a wardrobe with some robes. There's a spa here, and I think you can get laundry done, and a hairdryer, and there's also a safe down here with some more drawers. Then you've also got iron board and iron in here. This is a bit further out away than the centre of Southampton for the cruise terminal, so there's no walking distance like a few of them in the centre, but this is a very nice option, especially if you like cricket, which we'll get on to later. You have the bed here with two bedside tables. You have a USB-C and USB this side, but nothing that side, and then light and reading light. Very comfy bed. You've got a sofa over there with a table. Here you've got a TV and like a workspace area, and you've got a mini fridge in here. They got like things here, but they're fake. So there's here coffee, teas, and kettle in there. Yeah, very nice sized room. Now let's get onto the balcony. Here we have the balcony. This overlooks the cricket ground.
Very comfortable chairs, I must add.
Yeah, you get two chairs and a table as well. But yeah, there's no cricket on today, I don't think. But yeah, it's you get a very nice view of the cricket ground. So yeah, this is the Hilton at the Aegeus Bowl. If you have any questions about the room, please put it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have about the room or the hotel itself. Thank you for watching. It's been Spacious here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.